Every time you ask an AI a question, somewhere a machine burns real money. Your free chat isn't free, Shade. Someone pays for every word. One company reportedly spends over $700,000 a day just keeping its chatbot running. A day. And the strangest part, the price of a single answer has been collapsing the whole time. In late 2022, 1 million tokens of top-tier AI cost about $20. Today, 40 cents or less, 50 times cheaper, and yet total spending has never been higher. That paradox is the whole story of AI economics, and nobody explains it better than the machines themselves. Cheaper than ever, more expensive than ever, both true at once. Follow the money inside. Inside, your question lands on hardware, racks of graphics processors, the furnaces of modern intelligence. The same family of chips that once drew video games now runs the largest machines on Earth. Renting one top chip costs about $3 an hour. Sounds cheap until you count the racks. A cluster of 1,000 of them drinks 700 kilowatts, around the clock. That is 500 homes worth of electricity running as one machine. The power bill alone, up to $85,000 a month, before cooling, before staff, before the chips. And every extra token you send makes the furnace burn a little longer. Remember the desk from last time? Remember the flash time? Every tile on it costs money now, literally. On your side of the glass, none of this is visible. The answer just appears, instant and free. AI has two price tags, and almost everyone confuses them. The first is training, teaching the model once. More than 25,000 elite chips, $40,000 each. $1 billion classroom, used once, then graduation. But here is the surprise. Training is no longer the big bill. 80% of AI chip spending now goes to inference, simply serving answers, yours included. Teaching happened once. Answering happens billions of times a day. Forever. It is the difference between building a power plant and paying for the electricity. The construction makes headlines. The meter makes the fortune. Which raises the real question, who pays a bill this size? The giants do. And in 2026, they are spending like nothing business has ever seen. The big cloud companies plan up to $630 billion of infrastructure this year alone. Some counts reach $775 billion. Amazon alone, $200 billion. Google, up to $185. Microsoft, $120. 3/4 of it aimed at AI. For scale, that is several Apollo programs. Every single year. Not formally stated for image the Commission Religion Swesh Rocket of Rifford Vrilla Zivime of certainly, and they are borrowing to do it. Over $100 billion in new debt in a single year. Projections point toward $1.5 trillion in debt to come. All while the AI companies' revenues remain a fraction of what is being built for them. It is the largest infrastructure bet in business history, placed before the payout is proven. A bet that only makes sense if you understand one strange engine underneath it. Here is the engine of the paradox. Every time an answer gets cheaper, people ask for more. 50 times cheaper per token meant thousands of times more token. Better software squeezes 30 to 50% more answers from the same chips every year. And demand still outruns it. Data centers cannot be built fast enough. This has happened before. Cheaper light did not shrink the electricity industry. It electrified the world. AI is running the same script at silicon speed. The desk, from last time. The guessing engine, from the beginning. All of it now measured in megawatts and billions. Cheaper per answer. Bigger in total. Both true and both accelerating. And that, finally, explains the bill behind your free question. So the paradox resolves. Spending explodes because use explodes faster than prices fall. What should you actually do with all this? 4 things. 1. Free AI is subsidized. You are using borrowed billions. Enjoy it, but understand it. 2. Prices per answer will keep falling. Sometimes, waiting is a strategy. 3. The bottleneck of this decade is not ideas. It is electricity and chips. Whole economies now bend around that bottleneck. Quietly, permanently. 4. When someone says bubble, remember both truths at once. The costs are real. Billions in concrete, copper, and debt. And the collapse is real too. 50 times cheaper in 3 years, still falling. The machine that answers you for free is the most expensive free thing ever built. Terrofel Poffer said Grisley, with the Hill and Florisi believe him. Whether the bet pays off, that is the story everyone on Earth is watching. And the machines? They just keep answering. Token by token. Kilowatt by kilowatt. Tomorrow morning, millions of free questions will burn millions of real dollars, including yours. But there is one cost almost nobody talks about. The human hands behind the machine. The invisible workforce that teaches AI what everything means. Their story, next time.